Picking the right project management software is like shopping for new shoes. Do you need something versatile for all your needs? Do you need an all-purpose option or something tailored for special tasks? With literally hundreds of options to choose from, where do you even start? Well, don't worry, I'm here to cut through all that confusion and give you the 5 best project management software options available. Our comprehensive shortlist will leave you feeling confident in picking the right one for you, no matter what. How many left feet you might have. First up is ClickUp. Right out of the box, you get unlimited file storage on all. Pay to your accounts, but even the free forever plan allows unlimited members. Not only can you email a task directly from Outlook, but planning projects and completing tasks is a breeze with this visually stunning yet simple layout. You'll have everything from checklists, subtasks, task templates, and even calendars, timelines, and easy-to-make Gantt charts. Plus, its collaborative nature means sharing, editing, or even reordering is easy. So if you are working in a fast-paced project with heavy involvement from stakeholders and external vendors, then ClickUp is probably a good option for you to consider. Fascinating! There's plenty of integration options too, not just with popular tools like Slack, but even with mainstays like Dropbox and G Suite. Plugging into Zapier even allows you to sync up with over 1,000 other tools too, so there's a good chance it can fit right in with your current workflow. Granted, some features are hidden behind the $5 per user per month paywall, like the read-only guest access, permissions and reporting suite. If you're okay with that and have the patience to navigate through the. If you want detailed customization when setting things up, ClickUp gives you great value. Monday might not be everyone's favorite day, but in project management software, it's top-notch. It's known for its easy-to-use, visually clear interface, sparing you from frustration. Big names like Hulu, BBC Studios, Adobe, and Coca-Cola use it. Hulu, BBC Studios, Adobe, and even Coca-Cola. So this is perfect for big companies with big projects. The project reporting dashboard is solid, collecting data from multiple boards. Plus, the fact that team members can update cards easily, collating comments and tagging other people really streamlines your ability to track progress in real time. Monday's integration features are fantastic too, whether you're hooking into Trello, Google Drive, or even GitHub or Slack. Monday dovetails so neatly into an array of tools that it can be your go-to hub for customized workflows. With Monday, it's easy to adopt any methodology you'd like to serve you and your team the very best. Fascinating. But all that robustness comes at a cost for small teams who require something simpler and straightforward. The rubric of costing plans doesn't make it the easiest software to jump into, and its invoice and accounting tools can be a little lacking, although it does help you track hours and timelines. The current $6 a month per user seems easy enough to get behind, especially with a 14-day free trial, but the staggering of tools behind different tiers can make it harder to know exactly how Monday's fantastic customization can serve you. Hive knows just how hard it can be to keep track of all your bees, which is why messaging and collaboration are central to this software's greatness. It's why the likes of Starbucks, Uber, and even IBM rely on it to keep the honey going out and the money coming in. It's ideal for companies with teams of all sizes. Hive was built as the first community-driven software, meaning it has been built up from customer concerns by project managers for project managers. Viewing projects is flexible, and you can have an unlimited number of projects. Plus, the dependencies and thousands of integrations help to streamline and centralize your project work. That's why it can be used by teams as small as 10 or as big as 1,000. Add to that top-notch time tracking, full email integration, and the amount of visibility. For team members, this fully laid out, comprehensive package is powerful if you can get the hang of it. For all its greatness, there comes a steep learning curve that can put obstacles in front of you when you're trying to hit the ground running, and the limited functionality of the mobile version means working on the go isn't as smooth as it should be. Still, the UI is intuitive and the all-in-one options for small and medium-sized businesses are fantastic. All this makes the free package for 1 to 2 users more tempting to start. If you do go for the Hive Teens package, expect to be billed annually at $12 per person per month. That's a premium cost for a premium product. Fascinating. Smartsheet builds on every project manager's love or hate for spreadsheets by using their formulas as the foundation for its user interface. If you're good with Excel but tired of complex formulas, Smartsheet simplifies things for you. It handles the tough stuff for you, calculating across sheets and linking things effortlessly. In fact, team members get real-time notifications for major changes. Tools even allow users to see detailed history of changes and activity logs. But the real thrill is the critical path feature. Now tasks that directly impact your project completion date are highlighted to help you keep an eye on important milestones. Reporting is easy too, with editable summaries that can be opened directly in Excel. In fact, it integrates well with plenty of Microsoft and Google programs, as well as other essentials like Slack and Salesforce, plus many more, though some features are behind a premium plan. Yet despite all this amazing flexibility and customization, it's a bit strange that you can't change the color of the tables. Even stranger is that some changes don't update in real time. That runs a bit of a risk of miscommunication down the line, especially with less nimble teams and projects where users are not used to communicating directly. Now, the sign-up plan caps at 25 and has a minimum of 3, so for larger scale, for bigger projects, you might want something sturdier. There's also a 30-day free trial, and after that, it's $7 per user per month. The last one on our shortlist is Asana, whose $10.99 per user per month model immediately puts it in the pricey tier even. With its freemium model, what you're getting for that entry fee is one of the most visually rich user interfaces out there. It's crafted to ease those long hours on your eyes, with fun animation celebrating completed tasks and a welcoming color scheme. Task or its simple yet very inviting color scheme. It makes all your hours working with its great timeline and integration even more pleasurable, especially if you're using it for complex projects. Being able to break up those bigger tasks for bigger projects with Compartmentalize, it will be a godsend for anyone needing to juggle a lot of components. However, it's a shame that such a slick online task management tool lacks a real-time chat function. Granted, it markets itself as a comprehensive solution for task management, but even so, the section gets pretty cumbersome. It would be best suited for projects with a narrow focus or that are comprised of many parts, and you can work around its limited communication with tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams. Please, Spock, do me a favor and don't say it's fascinating. No, but it is interesting. Hopefully, all these great project management tools aren't overwhelming you, but if you're still unsure, then there's an easy way to find the right one for you. Don't ask which has the most features, but rather which is the most suitable for your goals. Each one excels in different ways, so factor in the scale, scope, and range of your project before you pick a project management tool. If you want a more detailed breakdown and to explore options that didn't make the shortlist, check the link in the description for our full project management tool comparison. And of course, be sure to subscribe to follow us for all your project management needs. That notification bell will alert you to our latest upload, and leaving a like lets us know you want more videos on this topic. Let us know in the comments which software you liked and why. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.